Hello.
Hi.
Congratulations,
Oh my
Clark
gosh.
family.
Congratulations again.
Absolutely.
When we found out we were the home makeover winners, we were a little skeptical at first. Once we found out it was real, we were super excited. Working with 1-800-HANSONS has been amazing. A lot of communication, good feedback. From beginning to end, everything's been great.
Work crew's been very good, very professional, very courteous, on time, very reliable, and they've done a very excellent work.
I would tell anyone thinking about entering Hanson's contest to definitely do so, because there's always a chance that you can win.
Call 1-800-HANSONS.